Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Opencart Mobile App Builder plugin. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how you can make use of this particular plugin, that's the Opencart Mobile App Builder plugin, to create a mobile application for your online web store that's based on the Opencart platform. And we'll also be showing you how the configuration settings for the plugin itself allows the admin to set up the different features that can be accessed by the customers within the mobile application itself. So I'll be taking you to the mobile end, and I'll be showing you the workflow of this particular uh, Opencart app within the mobile itself, and thereafter I'll be showing you how the admin can set up the same for use and how he can provide the application to the customers for using. So uh, uh, so if you're running an Opencart e-commerce store, and you also want to increase your sales by also selling your goods through the means of mobile application, then this particular plugin is the best fit for you. And the Opencart Mobikul mobile app builder basically would be able to provide your customers with maximum features that they can experience of the web, from featured product listing to custom account and to checkout, cart, etc. So let's go to the mobile end, and thereafter we'll see the backend configuration for this particular plugin itself. So right now I'm at my mobile device. As you can see, it's an Android device, and I've installed the Opencart mobile application. At the top, as you can see, this blue icon with an M within it. So to open my mobile application, I just tap here on the icon itself. So I've installed this from the Play Store itself. So before starting the app, I need to choose my language. This mobile app basically can be used for the different languages as well. So it supports the RTL as well, that's the Arabic, Hebrew, and the other languages that are written from the right to left and from left to right as well. So thereafter I'll just tap here on the continue button. So now the app would be loaded. So here you can see right now. So here at the top you can see the different categories like the AR, gaming, home, musical, and below that we have these banners. So you'll be able to see when I show you the admin configuration how we can add them up. And the layout that you can see, I've already shown you with I'll be just showing you in the end of this particular video how the admin can basically set up the layout. So we can make use of the top, the categories that we have, we can bring them down, and we can take the banners up. And similarly we can shuffle in the ascending or descending order as per our requirements for the different sections. So the first is category, then we have the banners, thereafter we have the popular products, and we all would display all the popular products within the store. Then we have the best products. We can also see the complete list of best products by tapping here on the view all. Then we have the featured products, and same goes for the complete list, just tap here on the view all. And then we have the latest products in the store, and then we have the browse by brands section as well, and you can tap here on the view all button to view the complete list of brands that are there. And under that you'll be able to find the products as well. So if I tap here on the HTC, let's see what different products come up. So these three products are under that particular brand. So you can just change the layout as well, like this or this. You can also sort the products using the default system options there. So we'll be showing you how we can set up all these things there. The different sections like popular, featured, and the other, the categories, the icons, the banners. Now at the top we have this search icon, and from here the customer can search the products, and let me go back. They can also check their wish list by tapping here on the heart icon. to access the cart, they can tap here on the cart icon. And right now we don't have any products within the cart. And if I tap here, so right now I'm not logged into my mobile application, so that's why I'm not able to access the wish list. So I'll just tap OK. Now I'll just go back first. On the left hand top corner we have these three horizontal lines, and that brings up this side panel which has the shop for, having all the categories, then the language and the currency. So let me first show you how we can change the language and the currency. So I'll just tap here on the Arabic, and the app would reload, and now you can see that the complete app is in RTL format. Now these three horizontal lines are on the right hand side, these categories, and the languages there as well. Now let's tap on the English once again. Let's go back to the English language. Okay, now if I swipe it, I can change the currency as well. Let's choose it as pounds sterling, and now you can see that all of the products are having the currency as the pound sterling. And apart from that, we have the about us, the delivery information, terms and conditions, and the privacy policy for the Opencart Web Store owner. So these are the details from the side panel. Now at the bottom end you can see we have a home button, then the category, then notification, and the profile. So let me tap here on the profile. So this is a paid feature, that's the social login. So we can sign up, we can have a fresh startup by tapping on the sign up. We'll fill our personal details, address, and we'll set our password as well, and then we'll just check the privacy policy and tap on the register button to register as a customer within the Opencart Web Store using the mobile application itself. To log into my account as a customer, just tap here on the login button, enter your email, password, and tap here on the sign in button, and you'll be logged into your customer account. So now if I tap here on the profile, you can see that we have the dashboard and the rest of the options for this particular customer. So from here the customer can check his orders by tapping on the top right hand corner on the my orders. That brings the details of the orders. To view the particular order, he can tap here on the view details, and then the complete details of that particular product would be visible to the customers. So there's no need to log into any desktop or something. So on the move, the customer can check the details of his placed orders as well. Similarly, he can make use of the address book to edit, delete, or add new addresses. And within my wish list, he'll have his wish list products, which can then be added to cart to make a checkout. Otherwise, they can also remove them from the wish list. And to add, just tap here on the add button. Let me go back. Let's tap here on the add to cart button, and it directly adds the product into the cart. So here you can see that the product is added, and within the cart the customer can apply the coupon codes or can apply the voucher codes as well. And he can update the cart. For example, if I want to have more number of these products, 3, then I can tap here on the update cart. The data has been changed and now it's 275 pounds sterling. So to add a product into my wish list, so I'll just go to the category by tapping here on the category at the bottom end, and that displays the complete list of categories within the store itself. And let's tap here on the AR products, and that brings up the complete augmented reality products that have a 3D model. So for the 3D model, you'll see this cubicle icon for the products. And to test the AR product, you can tap on the icon here, and that would basically bring up, so you can check the images of the AR product, and you can just tap here on the cubicle icon. Let me tap once more. Allow your camera to be accessed by the mobile application. tap here on the allow button, and now we just need to detect the surface, and after this surface has been detected, we'll be able to put the 3D model on the detected surface. So you can see the surface has been detected. Now if I tap on the screen, that particular AR model for the product would be uh, set up. Now we can see the top view, we can see the side or the bottom view for this product, and the other details as well. We can also move it anywhere, we can keep it anywhere as per our requirements there, and this gives us an idea of the product itself when we see that in an augmented reality within your mobile application itself. So that was how we can check the AR products. Let's go back. Now let me add a product to our cart and let's make a checkout thereafter. So let me add this product to the cart, and I'll just proceed to the checkout. Okay, we have one product that's out of stock. I'll just remove that up, and now let's make a checkout. So shipping address selection, shipping method, payment mode, review your order, tap continue, and the order has been placed, as you can see right now. So this is a notification that you got that order has been placed, if you see at the top. So that was the working of this particular application from the customer's end, and under the notifications, we have all the notifications that the admin has sent out to the store customers. So you'll be able to see in the admin configuration the same. So here you can see that we have the three different collections, and you can set up the links for the products category or the custom collection for these notifications as well from the configuration settings, so that to get that discount, if they tap the users tap on this particular notification image, then they'll be redirected to a category that is assigned, or to the product collection, or to a single product as well. And lastly, we had the profile, and we can change the password, and we can also return the orders. We can check our orders. So the order we just placed is here. So here's the iPod Classic that we just placed the order for 229 pounds sterling, and so that's how this particular application works. That's the Opencart mobile application, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the particular flow of this mobile application. And that was much. Let's go to the admin backend panel now, and let's see how we can set up this particular application from the admin backend under the Opencart Mobikul App Builder plugin itself. So now let's go to the admin backend panel. That was how the Opencart mobile application works, and we showed you the different sections there within the app itself. Now let's see how the admin can set up the mobile application for his Opencart web store using the Opencart Mobile App Builder by Webkul. So right now I'm at the Opencart web store backend panel, and I'll be logging into my admin account. So after login and after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the web store admin would be able to see the Mobikul option here, as you can see, and under that the admin can configure the different sections for the Opencart web app, sorry, the application basically. And if you want to check the demo of this particular plugin by yourself on your mobile devices, then basically you can go to the Play Store or the Google Play Store, and you can download the Opencart mobile application. You can also navigate to the Apple Store, and there as well we have the Opencart mobile app, so you can use it in your iOS devices. or the Android devices as well, and then you can check out the different features for the app itself. So let's go through each of these options one by one, and let's see what configuration settings out there. So let me tap here on the banner. So the banner is basically but before continuing for the banners, let me take you to the initial settings. So for that, just tap here on the Mobikul, and before proceeding further for this section here, we'll do the initial configurations. So for that, you just need to navigate through extensions, then extensions. So after the successful installation, you need to navigate to the module section, and here we'll have the Mobikul app builder. So here we have the Mobikul. Just tap on the edit button there, and that brings up the general and the home page settings. And under this section, the admin can manage all of the functions that he wants to show on the home page itself. And let's go through each of them one by one. So under the general tab, we have the status. So to enable the Mobikul API status, we need to choose it as enabled. Otherwise, to disable, you just tap on the disabled for the status. Then we have the general settings. Here we need to enter the so basically under this, the API key and the password that is used for the authentication of the request is being added. So here the admin will be entering the API key from the application itself. Then the admin will be entering the API password for the app itself. Then the FCM authorization key would be entered. So basically, to enable the notifications for the mobile app, we have to use the FCM authorization keys. Then let's come to the application settings, and from here the admin can set up the option wherein he'll be able to enable this option to display the Play Store link to the application. So within the application itself, you'll be having the Play Store for the Google for this particular mobile application, as well as the admin can display the Apple Store link uh, for the mobile app for the Opencart itself. Then we have the Play Store link. So you just need to enter the Play Store link here, then the Apple Store link for your Opencart mobile app. Then you need to set up the visible on top. So the from here the admin can enable this to display the links on the top of the mobile app. So you can choose to have it on the top. Otherwise, you can make the links available or visible on the bottom, or and then we have the front end text, and here the admin needs to enter the text that would be visible in the front end with the app links. So you can set it as download the app now, or something like that. Then we have the shipping method. So here we'll be selecting the respective shipping methods that are there within the store itself, and we'll also be choosing the payment methods that would be available within the Opencart mobile application. So here we have 3, and here we have 2 shipping and payment methods. And thereafter we'll come to the home page settings, and basically here you can see that we have this particular block and this one. The right one gets edited, you can delete it. For example, you can delete it, you can change the what we say as you can basically arrange the sections in descending or the ascending order. So on the right hand side here you can see that we have the preview. So if I scroll down, you can see that we have the banner section first. Then we have the category here. So for example, we have the banners at the top. If I tap here on the banners, then the banners would also be added to the application at the bottom here, as you can see. So we already have the banner here. I've tapped on the banner, and we have the banner at the bottom as well. And then that added thing would be visible in the second section here. So at the top we have banners, at the bottom we have banners. So now you can see that when I delete this banner, the same is removed from here as well, from your mobile application as well. So according to your requirements, you can set up the layout. For example, we have the category icons at the second position after the banners, so I can do like this. The category icons go to the top and the banner comes down to the second position. And similarly, we can set up the popular products, best products. So whatever you want to display, you can choose from this particular list, add it up, and set the layout for the same as per your own requirement. And lastly, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the particular layout or the home page settings for your mobile application for the Opencart online web store. And that's the initial configurations. Now let's go to the Mobikul and then banners. So we'll just see that. So from here you'll be able to add the banners. If you remember, the same images were there within the banners when we showed you the mobile end, the flow of the mobile application. So to add a new banner, you just tap here on the add button, set up the title. So what actually you want to show within that particular banner. So do you want to have it as a product type or the category type? So if you choose it as a product type, then you need to choose the product from your list. Otherwise you can choose the category type as well. So after that, if a customer taps on the banner that you've created with the product type as this one, this selected product, then he'll be navigated to this particular product. Otherwise you can choose it as a category type, and then let me clear it out. If I choose it as category, then we can choose the category wherein the customer would then be redirected. So banner, if it has category, the chosen category, the customer would be navigated to that. To delete anyone, to delete a created one, just tap on the remove button, and that wise you can choose to create your banners. Now let's come to the notification section. So from here the web store admin can manually send out the push notifications to the mobile applications, and he can also add the notifications initially and can see a complete list of notifications that he has already created. So here you can see that we have 3 different notifications that were there as well within the mobile application. And to add a new notification, just tap on the add, set up the title according to your store view, set the notification content. You can also make use of the emojis within your push notification. You can choose the notification type, whether it should be a product type. If product type is selected, then you need to add the product. Otherwise if you choose a category, you need to select a category for that, then other type and the custom. So for the product type, we'll choose the product. For the category type, we need to choose the category. For the other type, it depends upon you what you want to set up. And lastly, we have the custom. So here you can choose the custom collection, complete collection of the products. So basically you need to create a custom collection in the backend, and that would then be visible here, and you can choose that up to display the same within this particular banner. And from here you can add the image to the banner or delete the already added one. Thereafter just tap here on the save button. Now while you're in the process of creating this notification, you can also tap here on the send and save button, so it would save as well as send the notification to the customers. Let's go back. You can also edit any of these as well. Then we have the featured product list. So from here you can choose the featured products. It is autocomplete enabled. Just choose the products that you want to set for the featured products, and then within the featured products only these particular products would be shown. Then just tap on the save button. Now let's come to the carousel. So these images you have seen already in the mobile app itself, and here you can add the carousels, or you can edit them as well. So here you can see that I've set up the manufacturer link, and similarly you can choose the manufacturer by just tapping here HTC. For example, we have the HTC here, and we'll choose the image for that. We'll set up the sort order, so it's like we say as uh, what we say it as shop by brand, if you can understand that. So we have the brands, and according to that we can purchase the product under them. To add a carousel, just tap add, then choose the manufacturer link. From here, add an image to it, set the sort order for the same, and then just tap here on the save button to save your carousel. Under the category icons, here you can see the icons that are assigned to the different categories of your uh, mobile app that are being displayed from the store itself. So to add a new category, you can basically check the thing that is so basically under the set icons for the category, these are the category images that are there, we have added. These are the names of the categories, for example desktops. Now if you want to set the image for this, you just tap here on this, tap on the edit, then you can choose the image as per your own requirement there. Let's go back, and similarly for the other categories as well, you can just tap here, choose the image for them, and lastly just tap here on the save button to save your category icons. And these icons you've already seen in the mobile app also. And now let's come to the custom collection. This is the section where you can create the custom collection basically. So when we were talking about the custom collection there, when we were basically on the carousel, let me check that once more. And on the carousel, no, we were not on the carousel, we were on the featured maybe. All right, within the notification, if you remember, we were able to choose the notification type as custom, and then from the drop down we chose the augmented reality. So that is what can be created in the custom collection here. To add a new, just tap here, set up the collection name, choose the products, whether you want to add the products using the IDs, otherwise the latest product count can be set. Otherwise the product attributes can also be used to create the custom collection. So attribute brings up the product attributes. You can choose any attribute, set up the attribute values from price from and to you can choose the product IDs. Just tap here and choose your product for this collection, or you can tap here on the latest product count and tap here on the latest product count. You can set that up in numeric values. And lastly we have the augmented reality, and from here you can add the AR products, and you can also edit them as per your own requirement. So you can set up the product name, you can upload the Android 3D model for that, that's of the .sfb format. You can also upload the iOS 3D model and enable that particular augmented reality feature for your product, and that can then be accessed by the customers within the mobile application itself. So we've already shown you that as well. And that was much about the Opencart mobile application, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow. And if you have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.